Hello everybody, my name is Gattis Kandis and today I will show you how to make money with trading stocks. So in the last few months riding underground, I noticed there was an advertisement saying that you can start trading with just £1 and the company is called Trading 212. So eventually I gave in and I thought, well, it's what I got to lose is just £1, I can afford £1, so I thought I'm gonna try it. So I got the app and then I went on the app and there turns out there are like 3 different kind of types of trading, which I'm not too sure about what they all mean because I am complete beginner at trading. I never done trading before and I am not planning to make living with trading unless I become very clever with it. So I went on the first one and turns out in the first one you actually had to deposit minimum £10, which I did, and then later I found out that other two you can actually start with just £1. But anyway, so I had deposited £10 and then I bought some stocks with GoPro cameras, and then within a day I lost about £8 because I did not know that you are able to actually set the limit. At a certain limit you can tell the app to sell your stocks so you're not losing too much money, but I didn't know this. So from my £10 I got only £2 left. But then now when I learned that you can actually set the limits, then it's much safer and you can have much more fun. So I added another £10 and then at the moment my account value is, as you can see, is £11.55. Because at the moment I have bought Japan 225. It's some kind of stock, I don't know exactly what it is, and it is changing very fast. Like it's changing literally every second, going up and down, up and down. So I will actually show you an iPad, so because it's bigger, so you can see the graph. That's the graph how the value of that stock is going up and down constantly, and then it's changing from red to green depending whether it's going up or down. Actually, I'm gonna show you a little bit of screen recording so it's much easier to see. Okay, so here you can see the value of the stock is going up and down constantly. Then here you can see how much money I have made so far, and then that's my total account value at the moment. Another bonus about it is you can actually see your live money on your lock screen of the phone, like on my iPhone. If I just slide, it's in widgets, you have just to set it up. If I slide to the side, then you can see, like right now I have earned 28 pennies, and you can see how quickly it is changing. Like it's 30, 31, 32. See, like it goes out. 31, 32. So like you can see in real time, like even with logging on your phone, 33. But it also goes down. When it goes down, it turns red. Luckily now for the video it's gone up, so I can actually show you that I have earned some money, 30 pence. Right now I'm gonna buy some more stocks because I have some money left on my account. And another stock I tried before is called Slack. I don't even know what it is, but it's another stock you can buy. And then when you buy stocks you can like choose how many. At the moment I have only enough money to buy one, so I'm gonna choose one and I'm gonna click buy, and so I have bought one Slack at the moment. So now when I go to the lock screen, now they're both gonna show up. See, like right now I'm losing money with the Slack, as you can see, but I am still earning money with the Japan 225. So then that's my total result. Like at the moment I have 27 pennies. I earned 30 pennies. See, because the Slack is starting to go up as well. Actually, that's good. Slack at the moment is minus 4. So like, it keeps going up and down, but then at the top it shows you the total. So anytime you want to sell your stocks, or it's also called close position, you just go on the little X and you click on it and then it will stop. So at the moment both of them are earning money. See, like Slack has earned me 3 pence and then Japan has earned me 29 pence and the total is 33, okay, 31, okay, like it keeps changing like that quickly. One thing I want to mention is don't ever use money that you cannot afford to lose. Because stocks, very similar to lottery, is not guaranteed. So therefore, if you decide, okay, I got £10 and I can play around with £10 and I don't mind that I will lose those £10, then by all means you can go and play. Because that's what I'm doing right now. I never done stocks before and I'm like, well, I can afford £10, I'm gonna do it. And it's actually quite a lot of fun. If I get more clever with it, maybe I will make some money, I don't know. But I'm not planning on making money because I know you have to be pretty smart to make money with stocks. I just showed you some very basic things from very beginner's perspective, because I'm sure if some of you will probably be like, oh, you know, you're a beginner, which I am, because I know nothing about stocks. But I just thought this was very easy and simple, you know, just to have a taste, you know, in the stock world. And it's quite exciting, you know, just to slide here and just look. And look, now it's gone down to only 6 pennies, because yeah, both Slack and Japan have gone down a bit. So yeah, it keeps going up and down, but you know, as long as you have set the limit, so you should not really worry about it. And if you have any questions or suggestions, let me know below in comments. And just before I go, I'll show you how you can set the limit. For example, at the moment Slack is losing me already 8 pennies. So you go and you click there, and so now there is the option stop loss, so you click on that. And so here you can choose how much you are willing to lose. Let's say if I go to minus 30, so then when I have lost 30 pence, it will automatically sell. So I will have lost the 30 pence, but I will not lose more than that. So it's a very good option, you know, like, because in the beginning I didn't know about this, so I actually lost £8 overnight. Yeah, so it's a good option for beginners. No, it's all right. It's down to -7. Now -10. Now it's going down a lot. Come on, go up, 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 up. Oh my God, it's -12. It's -11 now, -10. Okay, -5. Okay, -7, -6, -8. Come on, go up, up, up. I want more. Oh, -8. Okay, like it's fluctuating so much all the time. -7, -7. Come on, -1. Yes, come on, go. -2, -5, -4. Come on. -3. I want plus. I want to make some money. It's -6, -7. Come on. I want to make money. -5. Okay, minus. Like it keeps going up. Oh, there was -1 for 1 second. Now it's 1. Now it's -2, -3. I am waiting for the green, because at the moment it's red, because red means I'm losing money, and I've lost 5 pence so far. 6 pence, 5 pence. 5 pence, come on, 6 pence. Oh my goodness, when is it gonna go to green? I want to make some money. -6, oh my goodness. -8, no. -9, -9, come on. Oh my goodness, you know, I was like gonna make a lot of money, and look at that, I'm actually losing money. -7. Oh, -2, okay, come on, -3, oh, -5, like it's teasing me, you know, teasing me hard. It was like nearly at the green, and then it just keeps being minus, but I'm here to make money, isn't it? I'm not here to waste money, I want to make money. Come on, -5, come on, oh, you can do it, come on, -4, oh my goodness. Oh, this is so exhausting. In the stocks is very hard job. Oh, -1, okay, -3, okay. I think no, okay, -1, -2, okay. I'm gonna make money. Look, it's just changing so fast. -7. Come on. I need -14. No, it's going down. It's hurting me, hurting my feelings. -11, -9, -10. Oh my goodness. This is so exhausting. -7, okay, going now, -10. When is it gonna go up to the green? Because I had like plus 50 like a while ago. Oh yeah, yesterday, by the way, it went all the way up to 2.50. Like I actually made £2.50, but then I kept playing and it went down to like £1 again. Because you know I'm not. Oh, zero. Okay, yeah. Oh, it was. I had 1 penny. Okay, there's a 0. Okay, there's -1 again. I had 1 penny for like a second, and then it went down again. Stayed on 0, which I showed you, and now it's okay on -3. As you can see, it's changing super duper fast, and yeah. So that's what at the moment, as you can see, I get Slack and I get Japan 225. Those two stocks. Don't actually really know what they are, but yeah. I want money. Give me money. Come on, money. Oh, there is. I heard. Look like this. I earned one pence. Oh, okay. Went back down to 0. Oh, okay. There is. Oh, 3. I earned 5. 6. Look. I earned 8 pence. 10. Look at that. Oh, okay. Going back down. No, stop. Don't go down. Don't go. Oh, okay. Look, 12. I earned 12. Look at that. I earned 12. I earned 11. 12. I earned 12 pence. 17, could you see? 17, 16. Okay, come on, up. I need more. 14, good 14. 14 pence, 11 pence. Come on, more. 9, okay, no, 10, 10, okay. Okay, but see, like now it's better because like a while ago it was all the time minus, and now it's all plus. It's like 12. See, like maybe if I wait long enough, maybe it'll go to 1 million pounds. 1 million pounds would be good. Then I'll be like, okay, I'll take it out. I sell it. Take my £1 million. But at the moment it's only 14 pence, 12 pence. Okay, well, it's better than it was a while ago. Anyway, guys, you can see it's a lot of fun. You can actually see your own money like change in real time. Look, 17, 16 pence. I earned 16 pence so far. 19 pence, come on, 20. I earned 20 pence. 21, okay. 22, okay, I like it. I like it. 21, come on. 24, whoa, ladies, I'm rich. 25, okay, it's going up. Okay, going back down. Okay, guys. So, yeah, this is a lot of fun. As long as you don't, risk too much money, it's a lot of fun. And if you are clever enough, then you can probably make good money. Anyway, thank you for watching. I will speak to you soon.